Yeah, hi. In previous tutorial, we covered like where we can use the final keyword and how we can use the super keyword and how we can use the access modifiers like public and private, which cases we can go for it. All these covered in the previous tutorial. Now I am going to cover in this tutorial like parent and child classes having the same data members. If the parent class and child class having the same data members, the data members means if the parent class having the same 10 and if the child class also having the same 10 value, what is happening? So let's do, I'm going to write the same program and I think we have, I was the previous example only. Just I'm like sharing all those things. No, what I'm doing here, just removing the print statement. I am writing. I am removing the child class print method also. So now what I am doing here is just I am writing the sum value into value is equals 20, and I am going to take the sum constructor. Like I'm going to take parent. In that what I am printing parent class parent constructor. So write our one SVP statement. SVP dot dot just print the parent constructor. Uh, Close the curly braces. Same thing you should provide take the values. So now I am going to explain the different values first. Value is equals 10 I am taking here. In that also I am going the one like constructor. Just I am writing the same class constructor. So this is the child class constructor. In top of B2 taken the like what we can call parent class constructor. Now what I am doing here, so I am going to take the same main one class. In that I am going to write the like child class as well. So what I am doing here, just printing our child class value, what we took our value. So I'm removing this message. I am doing like child dot what is the value. This is the way we can print our values and we can access the values which are available in the child class or which are available in the parent class. Now I am doing this. All we did, like just go to our command prompt, just compile our program. So we did not get any compilation error. Now I am doing executing the program. Just check what is happened here. We got an parent class constructor, child class constructor, and tell. Have you observed the friends what is happened between here? Just come to our code. Just I am going to write the steps. First step would be from here we are calling the child class constructor. The child class constructor directly it will not print the value. I think we already aware of it because the previous two videos before I think I was explained. Without creating any superclass object, we are able to get the information which are available in the superclass. Just same like we did not call the parent class constructor or any values we did not call, but we got an output called the parent class constructor. How it's happened internally. So when you call any subclass constructor, this is called the constructor default constructor. So directly it call to this default constructor, but internally it use the keyword. Super. If you are not using the explicitly internally, the compiler it take care of it this super keyword. So because of we extend these things, it's called a super. Implicitly it will call. So that's the reason we got a parent class constructor as well as the child class constructor. Once this line is executed, after executing this line, so these two SOP statements are printed. Again, it going to like child dot value, whatever the values are available in the child class, that is printed. So this is our output. Parent class, sorry, parent constructor, child constructor, what is happening? Parent constructor, child constructor, and 10 value. So this is what I'm going to explain. And now, see, and I am going to write the some more stuff in the same example what I'm writing here. Just see. So what I wrote here with the just inside the like after the SOP statement. With the child reference, I am referring the parent class. So I am going to write parent PA is equals to I am assigning the child reference. So as observe the friends, just I am assigning the child reference to parent. So can we assign the child reference to parent? Easily we can assign because of it's extended because of the parent class extend child class is extended parent class, so we can easily assign the parent class object to the child class. So now I am going to print what I am going to do like, so I am printing the value so which are available in the parent class. So just remove the child and type the PA. This is the reference of the parent reference. So now I am going to get the parent class values also. Just check. So have just see the friends we did not get any compilation error. So I think somebody is having the this we can assign or not. Some we can easily assign the child class reference to parent class. So there is no compilation error. So now execute the program. We got an output. So just look the one. It is showing here parent class constructor as well as the child class constructor and the 10 9 20 values we got it. So this way we can get the values. If you provide the same values, also you can get it. If you are not providing the some, I'm going to change the parent class value as also 10. So again recompile the program. Again rerun the program. See, we get the same 10 values. So we did not, if you have a same values in parent child also, we will get it. This is what just now I covered the means and parent and child classes having the same data members. How we can access by using this example easily you can access it. And one more thing I am going to cover in this tutorial.